Hey guys, this is my customer old bicycle. He want to convert into electric and this is my customer expectation model. This is look like a vintage model. Finally my customer brought his cycle to our workshop. Before watching this video, please subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon. Please. Okay, let's get into video. Guys, this is our first step. I have removed the wheel and I have installed the hub motor in wheel. This hub motor installation will take 4 to 5 hours for me. Guys, after installing the hub motor, now we have a work on frame. This frame is full of rust and dust, so I have to wash this bicycle. So guys, here I have washed this bicycle and I have used sandpaper to clean the surface. Based on our customer expectation, we started the painting. So we are using the ivory color and leaf brown color. Now you can see guys, now after installing the wheel in bicycle, you can see that our bicycle is giving a vintage look. Here guys, I have installed the pedal assist sensor and now I have to install the accessories like throttle, key connection, everything we have to install that. Before that we have to leave the bicycle out in sun. It should get dry. And guys, other parts like carrier and basket I have painted black paint. Guys, I am using automotive paint for all the parts and applying 2 to 3 coats in order to get a good result. Our company is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu in Red Hills. So contact 8056248257 for any type of conversion work, or if you have any electric vehicle, if you want to do a service for that, just contact us. We will do all the type of service for your bicycle and also your bikes and also your batteries. So guys, here I have installed the all the accessories and now connection work is going on. Now I'm just connecting the controller wire. If you don't know how to connect your bicycle kit conversion kit connection, just contact us, we will guide you. Okay, if you want any type of battery, motor, controller, parts, just contact us. Guys, finally I have completed all the work. So see guys, when I am applying the throttle, the motor is spinning very fast and this bicycle also lightweight, so it will give a more than 45 km/h speed. So just I am going to do a test drive inside our workshop. So tomorrow we'll take this bicycle in road test. Very good morning guys, now time is 10:30 a.m. So now our person is riding the bicycle and he's checking the performance of the bicycle. Actually this bicycle will go more than 40 km/h, but due to this road condition he's not going more than 30 now. Guys, this bicycle is looking like a vintage model and the public reaction also awesome, especially the blue guy there. After seeing this bicycle he said just wow. So guys, road test has been completed and now we have to adjust some wires and we have to install the chain guard and we have to adjust the seat, mud guard, everything we have to adjust now. The small works is pending. Guys, this is our customer old bicycle and this is our customer expectation. He wants vintage look and also the electric one. See guys, finally we have completed the conversion according to our customer expectation. You guys just do a comment and let me know whether I have completed according to our customer expectation or this model is mismatching. If is it better than expectation, then also just comment and let me know and it will be encourageable for me guys. And if you guys want to do a conversion of your own bicycle, just contact us, we will supply the kit and also I will do a conversion for you guys. Just contact 8056248257. Our company is located in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. You can call us anytime and you can bring the bicycle and we will convert any type of bicycle into electric bicycle. So thank you guys. If you guys still now not subscribe my channel, then please subscribe my channel and do a thumbs up and share this video to your friends. Thank you.